All right.
Hi, my name is Julian. I'm from Dallas, and I really enjoyed Paul McGraw's training. It was really, really good. I learned so much, so many things I didn't even think I could possibly learn.
So, was there one thing that you found to be the most helpful, or was your favorite?
Yes, all the details in the screening process, that's what really helped out a lot.
So, and you had a lot of experience, like you own some rental properties.
Yeah.
How much do you think this has helped up your game?
Oh, tremendously. I think it helped a whole lot. So much I didn't realize I didn't know, so that was definitely helpful.
If you hadn't taken this course, how long would it have taken you to learn the things that you learned just in this 3 days?
It probably would take me like 5 to 10 years to try to gain all this experience, all the knowledge, and then I just have no idea how long it would have took me, how many bumps and bruises I would have had along the way to learn the same information.
All right. What would you tell somebody who's thinking about signing up or doing like a 3-day live?
Oh, I definitely recommend it. Absolutely. It's definitely well worth the money and the time.
All right. Any last messages for Paul?
Oh, thanks, Paul. You did great, man.